Is this Ram 2500 built for serious off-grid exploration? Or is it just a weekend toy for city dwellers to look good? I'm Dean, the co-founder of Big Dog Builds. We are the most awarded American truck company in Australia. With over 500 trucks under our belt now, it's easy to see why. If you're someone that needs a truck to do more than just looking good in the car park, this build might surprise you or it might disappoint you. Let's go walk around this one and see what it's got underneath. This one here, we've gone for the ultimate superior ride performance package. So this one's about to get a canopy in the back. We'll show you around that one in a second. But up the front end, we've got the full Karli leveling kit. This is the pin top 2.5 remote res leveling kit. It's got the King's 2.5 remote res shocks. It's also got the upgraded radius arms from Karli underneath there as well. That's got the weld-on limit straps. These limit straps are going to help the suspension cycle to its maximum without overextending the shocks, which will damage the top shock mounts. We've also got the high mount, low mount steering stabilizer under the front. This is going to be a really nice driving experience through the steering wheel. We've also got the Carly Diff Guard under the front there. These Rams are definitely truck-like, but the front pumpkin on the diff is definitely the weak point. And with the Carly Diff Guard in there, you're going to protect your asset no matter what environment you're driving over. With the Karli pin top leveling kit as well, you've got your coils in the front, you've got your adjustable panhard rod up the front, and up the back end is where we customize it to suit your needs. Also under the front, we've got the torsion sway bar from Karli as well. The factory one's quite harsh. This torsion sway bar is going to eliminate the body roll in the vehicle going in and out of 45-degree angle down a gutter or hitting those wombat holes. It's going to be a really nice driving experience. You definitely notice a difference between having that torsion sway bar and running without. Got the color-coded bushwhacker flares up the front. We've also got the mud flaps there as well. And these ones are running on the Method 305 double black wheels with the Nitto Ridge Grappler, 35, 12.5, 18. 128 Q load rating, which is 1,800 kilos out of these Nitto Ridge Grapplers. Means that if you want an aggressive looking tire without breaking the bank, the Nitto Ridge Grappler is definitely the way to go. With the 2500 Ram in the 2023 model, they decided to get rid of the factory flares on the side of the vehicle. This one here is about to go in to get a canopy set up on the rear though. So what we've done is we've preloaded up the suspension setup, ready for that additional weight to go on, which is going to level out the vehicle and make it super nice and comfortable, yet capable no matter what loads in the back. We've gone and installed the Boss triple bellow airbags. These ones being next to the coil, and rather than a coil assist is going to ensure that no matter what load you've got in your canopy, the airbag assist here is going to be able to inflate and give you the best ride possible. We've also got the Karli sway bar end links under the rear here. We've also got the Thurin rear track bar drop under the back there as well. That's to keep the rear axle nice and centered. And with the canopy on the back getting its own flares, it's going to really dial in the rear here. To inflate, deflate these airbags on the fly, we've also included the Polyair wireless air pressure control kit. What this one here is a wireless remote control. Set your different trailers from inside the cab, and this is going to inflate those airbags to the desired pressure, which means that you're going to get the best of both worlds, whether you're loaded or unloaded, or you've got a trailer on the back, or just running to the shop. If you want a tough looking Ram just like this 2500 here, guys, get in the description below, jump on the website and contact us today. If you want some merch from Big Dogs as well, that's also on the website. And if you like this Ram 2500, check this Ram build out here. If you want to see these things boogie up the beach, American Trucks Down Under, episode 1 is just here.